For anyone that is new here, my name is Kayla Jones and I love makeup, skincare, music, and fashion. And for this look today, I really want to do like a dark lip because dark lip colors are one of my favorite kind of colors. I like anything vampy. Alright, let's get started. So for our lip liner, I'll be taking this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Blackmail, and we are going to outline and fill in our entire lips. And then for our lipstick, I'll be taking this Urban Decay, also in the shade Blackmail, and filling the entire lip. Alright everyone, so here's the final look. I really like this kind of lip color. I like anything, vampy and dark. If you have any questions, comments, any ideas, please put them down in the comments below. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, see you next time.